Hello and welcome to this video of beginners tutorial, and in today's tutorial we are going to do few more text operation and we try to split the text based on digits and non-digits. So let's try to do that. So first let's go to the Power BI desktop, and I'm there on the Power BI desktop, and from my recent sources I'm going to get the file pivot data, and this file is also available on my GitHub. There might be a little bit lesser columns there, but you can create if required based on that. So here I have this text operation data which is there, and in that one I have created one data which is digit, no means digit and non-digits for the separation of digits and non-digits, and let me select that. And instead of going to load this, I'm going to would like directly to jump on to the transform data so I can do that. And instead of writing down code for this column to split with digits and non-digit or non-digit to digit, I'm going to show you an option which is available under the transform data under the split. And this split you have the last two options are by digits to non-digits and by non-digits to digits. So first let's try digits to non-digits, means from digit when you switch to the non-digit there should be a split which should be happening. Okay, so let's try to split that. So we have split it here from digits to non-digits, and you say when from the digit we reach to the non-digit it is splitted. So here what happens is there was a non-digit and then there was a digit, so there is no split. So again here there is a hyphen which splitted it. There is no non-digit here. Everything is non-digit, so we not able to reach. Again here from digit to non-digit we are not able to reach. Okay, so we are able to split from digit to non-digit. Switch of digit to non-digit is something which we were expecting, and whenever it happens it splits into the multiple columns. Okay, that is what split column has, that option. And there are ways and means we can do it by text operation, by manually writing by ourselves, but right now we are trying using the menu options which we have. And you can look at the code. It is saying splitter split by text by character transition 0 to 9 dot dot. This is how you write down when you want to give a range. And then not list dot contains is this, and then this is the operations which you are doing. So this is how it is happening. So what we are going to do is let's reverse this step. So we want to just don't want to do this step, so I'm going to cross this out. And once I cross this, I will reach back to the same stage where we were there previously. And now what I would like to do is I would like to try the another step, which is basically non-digits to digits. Means basically from a non-digit, when I shift to a digit, there should be a break. There should be a split of the column when we do that. So let's try that. Now here again we got the two columns, and here see the shift happen between digit to non-digit, so no break. Non-digit to digit, so there is a break. Then this hyphen was a non-digit and this is a digit again, so break. There is no digit coming in, so no break happens here. And again we got a digit, so we got a break. So from the non-digit, when the transition happened to a digit, that is where we wanted to get a break, and that's what it is happening. So there are options under the transformation, under the split data. We have these options which are there. Okay, so and if you have already saved the file, let me say close and apply. If you have already saved the file, how do you reach there? You can go to transform data, which is available in the home tab, and transform data. And once you reach here, you can actually go and find these options in transform data under the split column. Now if you are using data flows, the options might be a little bit different place, but you should be able to get that. So let me again close it. This time I don't need to do any close and apply, and even it is not going to ask me while I'm coming out because I have not done any changes. Okay, so try these options out and do let us know what else you want us to cover in this particular series. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.